What's up, guys? So today is the day I am finally building a garage. It was well overdue to get started. I got a lot of stuff to clean up, y'all. So as you guys can see, it's pretty messy over here. Before we get started on building anything, I gotta get rid of all this. So I got motors, bikes, doors, everything here. So I'll set you guys up for a little time lapse of me getting started. Camera don't work.
It's basically making hits. Oh God. It's basically making hits. Oh God.
This out, y'all. Little progress. All the bikes is moved. Junking some of this metal. Got 1,000,001 tires. 1,000,000 bikes that don't run. But we getting somewhere though, as you guys can see. Once I broom all this up, I'll probably power wash the grounds. And then I would say in about 2 days, I'm picking up the garage from all my neighbors. The Eagles is playing. Alright, YouTube, as you guys can see, the yard is finally clean. I will be picking up the garage in about 2 days, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up right here. I will catch you guys when I pick up the garage. Alright, y'all, so today is the day. I am finally picking up the garage. Let's go ahead and remove all these seats and hope that this van can pick up the package. So with that being said, let's go ahead and remove the seats. I don't know what my dogs is doing, but get down, come on, get down. So I'm not actually sure if I showed y'all the yard before it got really late, but as you guys can see, looking like a whole new spot. I still gotta move these motors, but I'll probably do that after I pick up the garage, and then I'll probably knock some of this down, that concrete right there. These tires are staying for now, even though they're majority of them is junk, but I still use them to put under the cars. So check this out, we got the seats out. I just did the measurement. This don't close all the way, so don't pay that no mind, but we just did the measurement. Now I'm about to head out and go pick up the garage. Alright guys, check it out. I just received the package for the garage. As you guys can see, you probably know what it is already. It's the lights. We didn't get the garage yet, but I did take out the seats. The garage had to be scheduled for pickup, so with that being said, tomorrow hopefully we can get it and I will start setting up. But we got the lights already. I already ordered the floors. I ordered a few things. So with that being said, once the garage is here, I'm gonna set them up, and eventually I will have a garage to finally start working in. So apparently he thinks it won't fit into the truck, so I don't know what we're gonna do, but this is the garage.
Blowing money, chasing that bag.
Spence be making hits.
He got scared when that shit came on. He thought he broke it. I was like, no, don't worry about it. Alright, just like that, we out of here. Now, y'all probably wondering how we gonna get it out of here, but what we're gonna do is just take it apart in here and then pour everything out. I don't want to get stabbed though. Oh, don't drop it on me, chat. But you gotta actually go on top of that chair, bro, and get it in that corner. Look how much hardware it came with. Two more bags. This is probably at least 10 pounds, 15 pounds of all bolts. Do we know what we're doing? Not really, but we're gonna give it a try. Quick little progress. Got one post on. We still got to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more times. But we get somewhere. Alright, y'all, so as you guys can see, we gotta flip this one back over after we just put it in. This has to get flipped around, but we are actually getting somewhere. After we flip like 5 of these back over, we can start putting the siding on. Still looks like a lot. Hold on, y'all. Roofing is going on. Guys, check this out. We are actually done the roof now. We still have to do the metal part. I'm not a construction guy, so I don't know what that is, but now we start on this side. And then we're gonna try to push it over a little bit and then start doing the sides. Hopefully we can have this done by tonight.
Spans be making hits. Oh God.
Leftover panels we gotta finish. This piece is actually missing, so we're gonna have to fabricate that, and then we're gonna wait to do this piece. But more salt tap. Alright guys, as you guys can see, we found the 2 pieces to that. Majority of it is done. We just got to do this end piece, the doors, and we are finished as far as putting the garage together. Let me know down below what you guys think. Like I said, we're going to be sealing these gaps off because there's a little piece that goes there. But yeah, that's going to be for part 1. Down below what you guys think. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up right here. I will see you guys on the next video.